Okay, friends, let's find out what happens next after the bear wakes up. When we left the bear, he is super angry. It looks like in his face he snarls and he gnarls and he roars and he rumbles. He looks like he's in a very bad mood. Uh-oh. Let's see what happens. Check him out. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. Look, looks like tears. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. He's crying. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss, look, see. We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When they say that spins tall tales, that means he tells stories. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. The end. Okay, friends, with your prediction, I want you to mark on your paper if you were correct or if you were surprised. Remember, if your prediction happened, if you thought the bear was going to start crying and then end up partying with his friends, then you're going to circle the thumbs up. If you were surprised, I was surprised. I thought the bear was going to hurt somebody. He looked so mad. If you were surprised like me, you're going to circle the present for a surprise. Work hard today and we'll see you soon. Bye, guys.